Okay, so there are several ways of making passive income. All you need is just your creative mind coming alive and you going the extra mile to put to action whatever your mind has conceived. Okay, so popping up on my screen are t-shirt designs, and these t-shirt designs were made by me just using a Canva. Okay, but this is a Canva Pro account. Now, in this video, we won't just stop at making this t-shirt design. We'll also open up a Printify pop-up shop where you can sell these products and make your passive income. Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. Once again, it's your girl Annabelle Fajay. So join me as we explore on how to make a t-shirts using Canva, and we'll open up a pop-up Printify pop-up shop for us to sell this t-shirt designs and earn passively. One beautiful thing about this is that there are people, several people like you and I, who has ventured into this t-shirt design and they are making huge income or they're selling massively. If you go to marketplaces such as Etsy, Shopify, Amazon, Creative Fabrica, you see a lot of t-shirt designs, and these people are making huge income via designing of t-shirts, and most of them is just using the available resources available, their online and this thing, internet connection, their laptops, and they're just making their designs. So we'll begin with going to Printify to create a pop-up shop. So we'll sign into Printify. You can see it, print on demand. Okay, so it opens up, get started for free. You click on get started for free. Okay, so I'll sign in with my Google account. One beautiful thing about this is that you don't need to pay any upfront amount, unlike other marketplaces that will demand or require you to pay an upfront amount before you can start selling on these marketplaces. But for Printify pop-up shop, you don't need to pay any upfront payments. So for Printify pop-up shop, you don't need any upfront payments. All you just need to log on, create your account, and you go to my store. Okay, so you put in your details. So we'll now go further now to customize this thing. We need to customize our dashboard. Okay, so these are the features you have: my store, dashboard, catalog, my products. So already your shop is opened. You don't need much protocol. So all you need is, you can see launch pop-up store. So you click here to launch the pop-up store. Step 1, store details. Okay, you choose your name, which name you want your store to be called. You select the country you want. Now you customize, choose the theme. What is it? Choose a theme that you want your shop to have. That is the image, the face of your shop. When you open up your shop, or when customers open up your shop, what do you want it to look like? So you choose any of the themes you have here. Okay, so you can see the show your shop is taking place. It says see my shop. So you can click on that see my shop to see what your shop actually looks like. But here we are going ahead to create our first design. Okay, so you can see different products, t-shirts products. You can see, you choose anyone you want to design on. So already we have our Printify pop-up shop. Now we want to start designing. Okay, so I choose this. You can see start designing. Now you click on start designing. You can see this is the price. The price of the product is 11 USD and some cents, but after you make your design, it will no longer remain the same. So here is the front side. Now you choose any color you want, and you go to variation and choose the variation of color you want to look, or the color you actually want in this t-shirt. So here are different variations of color. You go for any one. Mind you, this is based on the customer's choice. All you need to do is just your design. So this will take us to Canva, where we'll create our design. So you come to Canva, you click on t-shirts. I know some people don't know that Canva has such feature, but this is only limited to the pro version. So you can see in Canva there are different custom t-shirt designs. You might decide to choose any of these designs, but in this video we are going to create our own design. So that will lead us to elements. In elements, you click on graphics. You can see the different graphic design. So I click on this. Okay. So I'll have to change the color for it to appear properly. Now changing the color, we can see the effect. Now I will have to duplicate this. I duplicated this in 3 places, shifted. I was just playing around this. This is just all about creativity. Now this is what I got. All I used was just that graphics design, duplicated in 3 places and changed the colors. So you can see that this is looking lovely. So all you need is just for you to be creative. Now I will have to go to test. Okay, so you go to text and you type any text, whatever you want to use, maybe a motivational word, okay, maybe motivational words pertaining to sports, motivational words, fitness, maybe something pertaining to children, Halloween, Christmas, whatever suits you, whatever design you want to make. Okay, so for here I click on I type positive vibes. So, and you can see this is just a simple design. It's not sophisticated. I didn't use much of the Canva features because there are many features in Canva that you can use and get good effects, good design. So what I did here is just to go to the center font and I change the font design or the font of the text. So you just keep playing around the fonts until you get what suits you. But eventually you have a particular font in mind that is more suitable for your design. You can actually type in that font and select it. So here we are. You can see the positive vibes in 2 different lines. It looks good, but I would prefer it being in the same line. So I adjust and bring it, and that is just it. I'm not going to do anything more than this because I just want to do a simple Canva design. Okay, so I'll do another video where we'll look at other features in Canva where you can get other effects that will look much more sophisticated and very wonderful. Having done this, you go to the other side of the screen where you see t-shirt. Okay, so you can see this now. Canva provides an avenue for you to test your design to actually see how good it looks. So look at my design on this t-shirt on this woman. You can see that this is lovely. So at this juncture, I will have to download this design and I'll go over to my Printify shop, my Printify pop-up shop, and I paste it or I mock it up on the t-shirt there. And after I do that, my t-shirt is ready. So I download, okay, so I save this in my device on my device, and with this I can go to my Printify pop-up shop to mock up this design on my own products there. And you can as well design to print this out from Canva directly. There's an avenue for you to print this out from Canva directly and sell. So here we are in my Printify pop-up shop. Here is the design on the t-shirt in my pop-up shop in Printify. So you can see that this is looking lovely. Now I'll try this design out in different t-shirts or different shades of color, different variants of color to see what it actually looks like. Okay, so downloading this design, so you can see it, positive vibes, simple, not sophisticated. This is lovely. Okay, so we keep trying out on different color on white. This is also lovely on white, but I prefer the black. It looks much better on the black. And the orange is also looking lovely too. Okay, so we can see this design. This is just not taking much of your time, and you have created your design to mock up in your Printify pop-up shop. Let's try an extra design now. Okay, so we'll go to element. Under element, we'll search for graphic background. Okay, we can see graphic background. Now when you go to graphic background, you see several designs for t-shirt that you can use for mock-up. Now these designs are so sophisticated that you won't even need to do extra work on it. You can see the one I chose. This is complete on its own. I don't need to do any work on this because it's a complete design. So if you really need to get custom designs for your t-shirt, you can go to graphic background and get what you want. So what I just did is to add a text to it, and I wrote professional. Then I went to lines, went back to element, and I typed lines. So you search for any line suitable to you. You know, this is just all about creativity. So I kept searching, working around it until I got what was suitable. So you can see the lines. I've chosen one. I'll delete this, chose this. Okay, so still trying to look for whatever that might be beautiful or much more attractive. It's all about creativity. You just have to keep working around it until you get what you feel is suitable or what you feel is appealing enough to you that can get customers. So just keep working around it, deleting, adding, until you know that, okay, this is appealing enough to me. So you just employ all the tools you have in Canva, and you get your designs done. And once you're satisfied with your design, you can now go to Canva, the other side of the screen where you have the t-shirts. Now you'll take a look, a preview of what you have done. Okay, you can see this is looking lovely. So once I'm satisfied with this, I now download, and I'll go to my Printify shop to mock it up in my t-shirts in my Printify pop-up shop. So we'll check the different variants of color. So you click the color variants, it will give you different colors. You take a preview of this design on different colors, and you can see it's looking good. Wow, the white is lovely. Okay, so you just keep testing and seeing. This is also lovely. This is a silver color. The design looks beautiful. Okay, so black likewise. Wow, this is great. So we just keep working around it so that we can see what this actually looks like in different variants of color. So with this now, we can now go ahead and publish this in our Printify pop-up shop. So this is ready. So all you just did is to go and publish. You click on publish and your work is ready for sale. So with this, we've come to the end of this video, to the end of this tutorial. So if this video has added any value to you, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.